Alright, I'm gonna try to make a video because I gotta study, and maybe some people don't have this, but I gotta take my refrigeration license in Massachusetts. So I couldn't find too many videos reading the rules and regulations, so I'm gonna try my best. Refrigeration regulations promulgated by the Board of Boiler Rules and the Bureau of Pipe Fitters and Refrigeration Technicians. This is an older one. This is 528 CMR 10.00 through 13.00, effective 10/3/97. So it's not the newest one, but there's a lot of important information in here. I don't know if I should read the requirements for inspection, annual inspection. All right. Whoever owns or uses or causes to be used a refrigeration or air conditioning system that comes within the scope of MGL C 146-45A shall make application for inspection to the Chief of Inspections on forms furnished by the Department. The owner or user shall give his name and address and the location of the refrigeration or air conditioning system and return same to the department. The minimum fee for each inspection made by the division under 522 CMR 9.01 shall be $40, and an additional fee of $1 shall be charged for each ton above 20 tons, provided that the maximum fee shall be $100. 2. Annual inspections. When a refrigeration or air conditioning system is installed, a field inspection shall be made before it is put into service, and the refrigeration or air conditioning system shall be inspected annually thereafter. 3. Prescribed pressure. A refrigeration or air conditioning system shall not be operated in excess of the prescribed pressure. If the refrigeration or air conditioning system is constructed and installed in accordance with the rules prescribed by the Board of Boiler Rules, the inspector shall issue a certificate stating the maximum pressure at which the system will be permitted to operate. A. Every refrigeration or air conditioning system which has been inspected by the Division of Inspection shall be given a serial number upon a metal tag, together with a symbol representing the seal of the Commonwealth preceding and following the number. The tag shall be held by non-ferrous wire in a conspicuous place on the unit, and no person except a district engineer, inspector of the Division of Inspection, shall remove the tag. B. Authorized insurance companies shall be furnished tag numbers by the engineering section of the Division of Inspection for refrigeration and air conditioning systems. The authorized insurance companies shall furnish their own tags upon which shall be the tag number. The dimensions of the tag shall be that authorized by the board. The minimum size of the dies for stamping the tag shall be 5/16 inches. The tag shall be made of non-ferrous metal and attached in a conspicuous place on the unit. Number 4. Form of certificate. The form of certificate shall be that authorized by the Board of Boiler Rules. Number 5. Certificate to be posted. The certificate of inspection for a refrigeration or air conditioning system shall be posted and protected from dirt, water, and other deleterious effects in a conspicuous place near the compressor of the refrigeration or air conditioning system specified therein. It shall not be removed therefrom while the certificate is in force, unless the system or its appurtenances becomes defective, when it shall be removed by a district engineer inspector of the Division of Inspection of the Department of Public Safety, or by a commissioned inspector who holds a certificate of competency as inspector of steam boilers. to inspect pressure vessels issued by the Division of Inspection of the Department of Public Safety as provided by MGL-C 146 and 62. Next. Reports of insurance companies. Every insurance company shall forward to the chief within 14 days after each inspection reports of all refrigeration or air conditioning systems inspected by it. Such reports shall be made on forms approved by the Chief of Inspections and shall contain all orders made by the company regarding such systems. 7. Insurance companies shall report new, canceled, or suspended risk. All insurance companies shall notify the Chief of Inspection within 14 days on forms approved by the Chief of Inspections of all refrigeration and air conditioning systems risk written, canceled, not renewed, or suspended because of unsafe conditions. Miscellaneous. Number 8. Words underscored in the text have been specifically defined in 522 CMR 903 and are used in accordance with those definitions. Number 9. Welding. All welding done on any refrigeration system or piping covered by 522 CMR 9.00 shall be performed by a welder qualified according to Section IX of the ASME Code. 10. Electrical. A person holding a license as a refrigeration technician may connect or disconnect for the purpose of installation, alteration, repair, or replacement any device or control required by rules and regulations of the board to be a part of a refrigeration or air conditioning installation, or being an integral part of the refrigeration or air conditioning equipment at the connection on such device, control or part to be repaired or replaced from the first disconnect in. The first disconnect being the wall plug or nearest electrical disconnect to the refrigeration or air conditioning equipment. All electrical work shall be in accordance with the Massachusetts Electrical Code. 902 Scope. Number 1. Scope. The application of 522 CMR 9.00 is intended to ensure the safe design, construction, installation, operation, and inspection of every refrigeration and air conditioning system that comes within scope of MGL C 146 and 45A. Number 2. Purpose. The purpose of 522 CMR 9.00 is to provide reasonable safety for life, limb, health, and property by adopting such rules and regulations in accordance with nationally recognized standards of engineering practice which will properly influence future progress and development in refrigeration and air conditioning systems. Number 3. Requirements. The requirements of 522 CMR 9.00 shall apply to all installations that come within the scope of MGL C 146 and 45A. Number 4. Equipment. Equipment listed in 522 CMR 9.0310 and recognized by the Board of Boiler Rules is deemed to meet the requirements of 522 CMR 9.00 or equivalent for the refrigerant or refrigerants for which such equipment is designed. Number 5. Exceptions. In cases of practical difficulty or unnecessary hardship, the Board of Boiler Rules may grant exceptions from the literal requirements of 522 CMR 9.00 or permit the use of other devices or methods when it is clearly evident the equivalent protection is thereby secured. Number 6. Ton of